Hey everybody, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I am coming in today to share with you, besides the fact that I've been painting and my hands are disgustingly dirty, share with you the next subscription kit from White Rose Crafts. It just came in the mail. I've got it all sealed up, so I haven't even seen it yet. And I thought I'd share it with you so you can see what's going to be in the October 2018 White Rose subscription kit. Here we go. Look, I'm even prepared with my scissors out. Let's see how quickly and efficiently I can cut open a box. The answer, my friends, is probably not very well. Ooh, I'm in. One side. Come on, we can do it, we can do it. Okay, we are almost there. I can see autumn paper. Here we go. Oh, can you see all that goodness? There's so much goodness inside. Okay, I'm pulling the box away. Box is gone. We have stickers and paper and stamps and trinkets and goo and yeah, so much fun. Okay, let's start with the big papers. Oh, if I start with the big paper, okay, I'm gonna do, here we go. Oh, I thought I could be like cool. I'm not. So, we're gonna start with the big papers. Maybe I just move all this out of here, out of the way. And we'll get back to the little stuff in a minute. Big papers. And the first one's not even a big paper. The first one is a series, is a big sticker set. So it's Photo Play Paper Company, the Falling Leaves set, and it's all kinds of fun letters and some numbers. And then a Thanksgiving themed and a fall themed stickers. Let's see, can you see that? So that's the first one, it's stickers. That's fun. Ooh-wee. Check out, so this is American Crafts. This is a piece of 12 by 12 paper from American Crafts. And that color is gorgeous. So this is, okay, 12 by 12 paper, and it is one-sided. I only know what this is because I use so much of this paper these days. This is, well, you know what? I say I know, and I could be wrong. I think this is the Aspire Petalix metallic paper. If you can't see, that's the shine literally on the paper, and it's in this gorgeous rust color. By the way, this rusty kind of color is my second favorite color in the world. My first favorite color is an olive green, but this rust color, that'd be my second favorite color. I don't know if metallic rust color is my second favorite color, but that beautiful rusty color. So there's that. Now I'm going to pull out the 6x6 papers because there is a package of 6x6 papers that comes conveniently sealed in a nice little plastic bag, so it's not. Let's see if I can slip it out. Here we go. I don't know who these are by. So we will find out, and I will label it. If I can find out who they're by, I will label it probably here or here. I'll label it here. Anyway, so we've got almost a wintry, oh, they're still attached, fun. And then green. So you can see it's a very autumn themed paper, or autumn themed kit. We've got orange. Ooh, that's fun, I like the dots. There's a lot I can do with dots. A really nice neutral burgundy. Ooh, almost wintry feel, but not quite snow. A yellow leaf. Really great brown. I love the dirty speckles. Like, they're not dirty. It's not actually dirty, but like there's this green splatter as if paint has hit it. Some lines. Ooh, more dots. Ooh, and this is completely smooth, but it looks very, very sweater textured. So those are our 6x6 papers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 6x6 papers. And then we have, I'm trying not to knock things over. Oh, I love these! Okay. So these are from Do Crafts. They're the Anita's Decoupage set. If you've never used one of these, they are pre-die cut 3D bits. So you actually build them up, and this one's new. I've never actually played with this style one before. I've played with a bunch of them because they're really fun to make quick cards that are kind of impactful. This looks like we've got a tag here. So I get how that one goes together. Oh, I'm gonna have to play with it and show you guys how this goes together. So, yeah. So we've got some 3D dimensional decoupage, and they're foiled, so again, it's got a really great reflective quality to it. Then we get into the bits and the baubles. Let's start with the stamps, because I think everybody knows I'm a stamp lover. I'm sad there's no coloring on these stamps, because these are the completely opaque. When you stamp, you get these dark, but I love myself some Stampendous stamps. So this is a nice leaf fall. Happy y'all, Thanksgiving, fall. Lots and lots and lots of cool. Ooh, that's a turkey. Look, he's a turkey. He's not a leaf. I thought he was a leaf, but he's a turkey. And pumpkins. Oh, I'm gonna have to play with these. I'm gonna figure out how to make these nice and colorful, even though I can't physically hand color them in. Maybe I'll figure out how to physically hand color them in. Anyway, there's the stamp set with this month's kit. Now the bits and the baubles. Let's see. We've got some jelly bean soup labels. This is the Farmhouse Stew set. And it says happy, thanks, always, sweet, hello, you, smile, hugs, love, and together. So there we go for that. Let's go with the inks. Let's go with the inks. This month there are 2 Scrapberry. These are the pigment inks, and this color is, see, you have to watch me try to read really small print without my glasses on. Oh, okay. So I thought it was saying natural, and that's where I'm a dork. The color is natural. And this one is orange. And this is actually a different brown than the brown that was in last month's Under the Sea. So you want to see the colors, don't you? Let's see if I have a piece of scrap paper. Ooh, I have a piece of scrap paper. Uh-oh, what happened to my scissors? I bet you they're hiding now that I've cut the box open. So we'll just use my crafting knife because it's sitting right here. So the natural is, ooh, I like that color. It's very turkey feeling. Yes, I use the phrase turkey feeling. And then the orange. It's a little bit more vivid than I would naturally go for, but there's something about it that I think we can work with. So these are the colors. The natural, the orange, and my incredibly dirty finger. Scraps into the trash can. So those are the colors, and while we're hitting colors on scrap pieces of paper, oh no, not my scissors. Okay, I can do this. I can do this better if I use the blade side. There we go. We have some Nouveau crystal drops in Autumn Red. If you're not familiar with Nouveau, who's not familiar? Everybody's familiar with Nouveau drops. I don't need to explain them. But that's the color. It's a really rich, nice red. Fun! So those are the inks. Take these away. Continue with the bits and the baubles. Let's go. There's some raffia this month. And a really nice, you're going to make fun of me, but a very nice neutral hay color. So there's the raffia. This is a fun edition this month. These are feathers from Zucker Feather Products. I have no idea how to use feathers, but there is instructions on the back on how to shape feathers. So maybe I will learn. Huh, okay. We will get into this. And there's a nice range of colors, all of which matching this month's stoof. I'm not going to open it because if I do, we all know I'm going to end up with feathers stuck everywhere. But I will play with these and I will try to show you how to shape them. Let's see. More bits and baubles. Okay. Brads. I love brads. Not the men. There are some brads in this world that I love, but I love these kind of brads. Oh, they're little leaves. And we're in a really nice range of colors. Fun. Oh, I'm gonna get in trouble using brads. I have a massive collection of brads from about 10 years ago when I actually scrapbooked. And yeah, I hoard brads. What else are we? Ooh, we got some, I want to say buttons. White Rose Crafts, Alson Sins, very cool buttons. But we have a whole, I'm going to dump these out because we have a whole range of buttons. I'm going to have to figure out how to get rid of the backs of them. But, I mean, the backs of them, I'm going to figure that out. I bet you I can snip them. You'll find out if I can. But look how pretty they are. I know I can glue them onto canvases. Like, I know as is standing right now, I can totally make a really cool mixed media project. I probably shouldn't be sitting here playing with them right now, should I? Look at that. It's like totally can create a cool pocket effect. Okay, before I keep playing with them and then I pull out a canvas and I pull out some gel medium and I glue everything down, we're gonna put them away like a good girl. We're in. Okay, next. Oh, we got another envelope of fun. So we're gonna pull out the stuff from the envelope. We start with some doilies, which is so funny because last month I was actually pulling like some of my personal doilies out and using them on my projects. So this month I have doilies to play with. I don't think that was on purpose. I don't think they were fulfilling my needs. I just think it's great coincidence. But we've got it in this really pretty sage color. And this is not white. This is a off-white gray, a little bit darker than an eggshell. But those are fun colors. And this, I think, is a card frame. Oh, it is. It's a card frame, and it measures, don't judge how dirty my, yes, it judges about 5 1/4 by 5 1/4. Don't judge how dirty my ruler is. And it's matching envelope. I think I have a bonus envelope. I have a bonus envelope. Ha 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 ha. So there we go. That's it from this month. We've got a card and an envelope. We've got some doilies. We have brads and buttons. We have feathers and raffia. We have 2 inks, a Nouveau crystal drops. We have some stickers. We have a new stamp set, which it's stupendous. They're such a good brand. We have some Ducraft 3-dimensional decoupage foiled. We have 12 pieces of 6x6 paper. We have an 8x10 sheet, an 8.5 by 11 sheet. Sorry, 8.5 by 11 sheet of metallic rust paper. We have a 12x12 sheet of paper, and we have alphabet stickers. Thanks for tuning in today. Make sure you check back all month long as I share ways to make projects with this kit. The kit will go on sale October 1st. Yeah, I say that with a big question mark because I'm muddling things in my brain today, but October 1st, that's correct, at White Rose Crafts. Thanks for tuning in today. Want to see more things like this? Hit the like button. Like what I'm doing? Dragon. Hit the dragon right there to subscribe.